The Ghanaian diaspora in Canada is one of the strongest bridges between our two countries. You carry Ghana in your hearts and Canada in your daily experience. You understand our culture, our aspirations, our challenges and our opportunities. You also understand Canadian systems, standards, institutions and markets. This places you in a unique position. The diaspora must now move beyond emotional attachment to strategic engagement. Remittances are important, but they are not enough. We need diaspora investment funds, mentorship networks, professional exchanges, venture capital, technology transfer, export partnerships, and structured business platforms. Let the Ghanaian professional in Toronto mentor a young entrepreneur in Kumasi. Let the Ghanaian engineer in Calgary partner with a technical institute in Ghana. Let the Ghanaian health professional in Ontario support health innovation at home. And let the Ghanaian investor in Canada seriously consider agribusiness, housing, education, digital services, and manufacturing in Ghana. The diaspora must become an economic bridge, not only a sentimental bridge. In Asante we say, one head does not constitute a council. No nation develops alone. No business expands alone. No generation succeeds alone. Partnership is the architecture of progress. But the partnership must be honest. Ghana must present credible, bankable, and well-governed projects. Canada must engage Ghana not with outdated perceptions, but with confidence and respect. Investors must do proper due diligence, but they must also be willing to understand local realities. Governments must provide predictable regulation, efficient ports, fair taxation, reliable power, transparent procurement, judicial confidence, and policy consistency.